Haven't done a twist out for a long time, but just look at this definition. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Curlykinkydee. I'm also known as Donna. So guys, today we are doing a twist out. So I haven't done a twist out for quite a while now. If you guys are following me and on my channel regularly, you would know that I have been venturing out with the wash and goes. So I used to love twist outs. Twist outs was a game changer for my hair growth, and just really enjoying, doing the twist outs and having amazing look afterwards. So today I am going to do a twist out for you guys. So I'll be using one of my favorite leaves in, which is the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk, Rice Milk Macadamia Oil. And this is what it looks like. This is my absolute favorite leave-in. I do have a dedicated video on my favorite products that I'm using at the moment, and this is one of them. Guys, this is compatible with so much stuff. But today I'll be using a new product that I haven't used before, and that is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. And that is what that one looks like. Hope you guys can see that. So I have used Curls products before. I do like the leave-in. I didn't have a problem with it. Yeah, so I thought, let me try this one out. I've heard people rave about this, so I'm going to give it a try. It says, yeah, it has no sulfates, silicones, parabens, artificial oil, colors, or fragrance. So it says, looking for the perfect product for the perfect twist or braid out. This curl defining, shine boosting, silky styler will give you the best twist out that make you want to shout. So directions, it say day 1, apply Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream to freshly cleansed, conditioned hair while it is still wet. Section by section, twist, braid, lock or set your hair, and allow the hair to fully dry before undoing the twist or braids. Finger comb as desired. So excited to see what this is gonna do. So guys, my hair is obviously washed, deep conditioned, you know, the full works. So I have at the moment got the Camille Rose, the Curl Up Moisture Milk in at the moment. And I'm going to section it in fours and then just apply a bit more. Guys, the tools I'll be using will be obviously my combs for my twist outs. Yep. And then obviously my Crocodile Clips. So I'll see you guys once I've sectioned my hair off. My hair is all in section, guys. So obviously, let's start. So what I'm going to do with Camille Rose, I'll just... So I'll just put some in my hair, guys. And this is when I will go in with the comb, guys. And I'll start at the ends and I'll just work my way up. Okay, and then I'll take a small bit, tie that up, go in with a bit of the Twist and Shouting Cream. Okay, that's what it looks like. And guys, please, I'm very heavy-handed. I always say this, so I think I've put too much on this one, but yeah, I'm very heavy-handed. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. So I am going to twist this one, and this is what I do, guys. You just overlap them, overlap. I do have a video on how to do a twister for beginners. It will either be on top here or will be on my end card or linked down in my description box, guys. So when I come to the end, I will then take my comb and I will twist this. So on to the next. Again, guys, I am not very particular about paths and stuff, so if you guys want to, you know, use your comb and do the perfect paths, go ahead. So twist and shout. And I just I'll just work it in, as I'll say. Off I'll go. And always, as you're going along, guys, try to pull it a bit. Not too tight, but you know, just try to pull it a bit. And then I'll go in with my little comb, my rattle comb. And I will then curl this bit. And look at that. And don't forget to kind of put it a bit tight, but not too tight, guys. So guys, I am done with this section. As you can see, this is what it looks like. It feels nice and juicy. I will do the side off camera and I will come back to you, because you know, I've just kind of figured out that obviously with the wash and goes, was so used to the quick and easiness of how it is, and obviously twist outs is time consuming. So yep, I'll do it off camera and then I'll be back when I'm done. See you guys soon. So guys, I am done. This is what it looks like. I can say that my hair, by the twist out that, yeah, my hair has grown and I'm loving it. It's taken a bit of time obviously doing it, and yeah, because my hair is a bit longer and obviously my hair is very thick. So now I'm going to just go in with the Argan Hair Repair Serum. This moisturize and shine, color safe, plus sulfates, parabens and gluten, and this is all hair types, and this is what this looks like. And I always just put a bit of this on, especially when I am doing twist outs. I haven't used this oil for a long time, but Argan Oil I kind of, because it's such a light oil, and because my hair is low porosity, you know, like I can't use heavy oils, otherwise it will just, everything just tends to sit on top of my hair. And that's it, I just use a tiny bit. And that's it, guys. And my ends look all healthy. I do have a video on how I snip my ends. I'll put the video down in the description box, the link to it, but my ends look fine. I don't think I'll give it a trim as yet. But yeah. So guys, I will see you in most probably 2 days time when I take the twists out. Hi guys, so I'm back. So it's literally been 2 days since I've had the twist out in. So it's time to take them out. Let's start, guys. So what I normally do, I'll pull out one by one, and I will first use some of this, just, you know, and just kind of rub it on my hair, just to take the taking down of the twist, to make it easy. So guys, we are unraveling it, so basically against the way you have kind of twisted. So I do have a dedicated video on how to do your twist outs, and including in that beginner's guide will also be how to take them out. So and that was quite easy. Give you guys a close up of what it looks like. So guys, I'm looking down the side because the mirror is the side as well. So we just going to crack on, guys, with the taking down. Now look at this, guys. So this is kind of juicy, you know. So I'm going to just put a bit more of argan oil through my hair, guys. You know, just like some on your hands and just rub it through. I absolutely love this. I love it. I just love how it came out. Look at the definition. I just love it. I just totally love it. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm obviously going to break it up a bit more, and then I will show you guys. So guys, now I'll go in with my afro, and I'll just kind of lift my hair. Just lift it. You go in by the root and you just lift it. That's all you do. So I finished styled it. So guys, I think, yep, I love this twist and shower cream by Curls. I'll definitely be using it again. Absolutely love it. I just think that, you know, just play around with the Afro Comb, you know, just pump it up, give it that volume. I like my hair big. I love it this way. Yeah, so give it a try, guys. It's amazing results, the moisture, everything. I can't say a wrong word about it. So guys, all the products that I've used will be listed in the description box. I might have said that in the beginning of this video while doing the twist outs, but yeah. And I want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and please do check out my next videos, and hope to see you back on my channel. Take care.